Cthulhu's! Thousands of them! It's time to get your nerd on with Survival Geeks! Survival Geeks is a sci-fi comedy series by Gordon Rennie, Beeby and Neil Googe with a simple premise, exploring the multiverse and parodying geeky clichés. When student Sam wakes up in the house of a group of obsessive sci-fi nerds, she becomes their reluctant new housemate after their home gets transformed into a piece of misfiring trans-dimensional technology. Armed only with their wit and boundless Star Wars trivia, the group of misfits must survive in whatever horrifying dimension or alternative reality they find themselves in. An affectionate parody of sci-fi and fantasy tropes, this quirky comedy adventure features satirical steampunk, ineffectual dark lords, cuddly Lovecraftian horrors, and the occasional dysfunctional lightsaber. But don't roll your eyes and think this is just some kind of comic book Big Bang theory. It's not. If anything, Survival Geeks lampoons the mainstream mockery of nerd culture. Packed with Easter eggs and in-jokes, it's far more self-aware than anything American sitcoms can come up with, and thanks in no small part to Googe's art, there is a great amount of raucous, joyous fun to the series. Whether you're after some escapist entertainment, love your sci-fi, or just want some fun, in-your-face comics, Survival Geeks will offer up something new. The whole of Survival Geeks so far has been collected into one volume, available from 2000 AD's web shop and apps. From one specific multiverse to the multiverse of 2000 AD. Join us next time as we continue our journey through the greatest stories of 2000 AD.